Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker smothered turkey wings, and I'll be using my Instant Pot 8-quart duo. First, I started off by slicing 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, and 6 cloves of garlic. Then I rubbed some turkey wings with some yellow mustard. This does not make your turkey taste like mustard, but it does add a nice layer of flavor. Then I added in some kosher salt, some freshly ground black pepper, some creole seasoning, followed by some granulated garlic and some granulated onion, some poultry seasoning, some dried thyme, some paprika, and then finally some cayenne pepper. I then tossed the turkey wings to make sure they were thoroughly coated in the seasonings. And then you can let the turkey marinate for however long you want, or you can go ahead and just transfer it right over to your pressure cooker insert. To the pot, I'm adding 2 bay leaves along with the sliced onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Next, I added in 1 can of cream of mushroom and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And I then added 4 cups of chicken broth. Next, I added in 2 teaspoons of browning sauce to give it a little color. And then finally, I closed the pressure cooker, set it to seal, and I set it to cook on high pressure for 45 minutes, followed by a quick release of pressure. So here's what your turkey wings will look like once they're done cooking, full of flavor, and the meat will just fall off the bones. I served up my smothered turkey with some yummy jasmine rice, and I also made some pinto beans and cornbread. The pinto beans recipe is coming up next, so make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss that video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're here and you haven't clicked that red button, go ahead and subscribe and tap that bell so you're notified of every new upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!